Over $100,000 withdrawal trading with the most efficient and consistent forex trading robot that you can find out there, guys. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how this robot AI has actually been generating a lot of profits for all its users all over the world. And hey, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually access this robot for absolutely free. So don't go anywhere, stick around, let's roll the dice. Let's go.
Crazy.
So I know one of the reasons why a lot of you stay away from robots is because you've probably been scammed in the past, or you've been promised unrealistic profits in the market, and when you start using the bot, it just turns to something else entirely different. Well, I do understand that, but in this video I'm going to be showing you practical examples, real life accounts, and how it is actually running live, guys, so you don't have anything to worry about. Another reason is the complexities that come with this whole robot thing. When you hear Forex robots, you're beginning to imagine, how can I connect this, how can I do the setup, how can I backtest this robot? So many complexities. But let me tell you something. Hey, with this particular robot, which is called EU Core, the whole work has been done for you. It is the simplest, the easiest plug and play robot that you can find out there. Everything has been simplified, and as a matter of fact, you're going to be getting live support from me directly or any of my team member who is going to help you connect this robot. It is a simple plug and play. The moment you connect it to your account, you do nothing, absolutely nothing. The robot does everything for you, and you're just going to be monitoring your account while it's trading and making daily consistent profit for you. So without any further ado, let me get into the chart. Let me show you exactly how this robot works. Let me show you the magic of the EU Core robot. Are you ready? Let's go. Magic time. All right, guys, so this is a $100,000 account. This account has been trading for over 8 months, about 10 months or so now, and it's been crazy dropping profits every single day, every single month, guys. So I want to show you the history of this account. But unfortunately, the broker actually archived most of the trading history because it has so many trades open, so the history was archived. But I can still show you some information that are really vital here. So first of all, today you can see today the robot actually made over $400 already on this account just today. You can see on the tab, this is EU Core Trading Robots working on it. So if we go to last week, you could see over $4,000 made on this account. Super conservative, risk management in check. Right now, let me show you what this robot has done since 2024 of June 2024 down till this time. Right now, what you're seeing here on the screen is massive. This is over $144,000 profit made on this account. The deposit here is 56,000. So we grew this account from 56 to over 100,000. Then 100K became the benchmark while we started making withdrawals on this account every month. Now this is an account under the AJ Tradehouse account management, but we're managing this account using what? EU Core Trading Robot, guys. Look at that EU Core Trading Robot. Right now you can see right here the total withdrawal on this account is 182,000, and the profit is 144,000. So we've made over $100,000 profit, and we've made over $100,000 withdrawal on this account over the period of 8 to 10 months trading on this account very conservatively. Right, you can go extreme, you can go mid, and you can go super conservative, whichever way the setting is available for you. This is just one account. Now let me show you something else. You might think this is a large account, but let me show you a smaller account where we also grow into massive profits. All right, so this right here is another account. This is a smaller account, and you can see the MyFXBook link, MyFXBook data right here. Now you can see that on this account we've made a total gain of 138% profit right on this account. Now look right here, you can see the deposit on this account $900. You can see the total withdrawal $1,000. So on this particular account we made a whooping over 100% on this account within just within less than 2 months on this particular account. And you can see the profit right here. Now a withdrawal was made on this account, like over $1,000 withdrawal, and the account is currently on $1,000 and it's still counting, guys. This is EU core. Now let me show you guys. This account was connected just around the ending part of January, 28th, 29th of January. You can see, so it just made 6%, and then by February you can see we made a whooping 106% on this account. Right now, this is March, and we're just starting out in March, and we're already up by 7%, and the month is not even gone halfway yet, guys. This is the power of EU core trading robot. It's super consistent, it's super conservative, and you can see the result point blank, guys. Don't play. Right, so let me show you another account. Right, so this is another account starting out $900, $899, approximately a $900 account, and over the span of 1 month, yeah, just 1 month. So this account started by February, I think mid-February or so, 10th February, and then you could see it made 10% on this account. No, I think mid-February, yeah, after the Valentine's. And then this other, now we're in March, and the account is already up by 13%. So you can see the total profit made on this account. It has made over 24% in total, and the total profit on this account is yep. All right, so the $223 profit made on this account so far. So the account started on $900 and it's currently on $1,122. Now this is purely EU core, right? You can see right here the growth is exponential, guys. It just keeps moving, creating new highs and new lows, new highs and new lows. This is the power of EU core, guys. So I can go on and on and on showing you different accounts, but you know, this is enough to show you that this robot has actually been doing magnificently well, and this is all you need for 2025 to get your game high. So regardless of whether the fact that you are a seasoned trader, you need something by the side to work for you, or you're just an investor looking to get into the forex market to make profit for yourself without the stress, without the hassle, you know, of actually analyzing the charts or trying to understand what the market is doing. This is a hands-free robot. All you just need is to what? Fund your account, connect the robot, and go to sleep. Bellissimo. That's exactly what you need to do. Right, so if you've made it this far, that means you're ready to know how you can get access to this robot for absolutely free. Now all you just have to do is get into the description of this video. You're going to see a Telegram link. Join the link or a WhatsApp number, send a DM to that WhatsApp number. What you're going to do is you're going to fund your account, and I'm going to connect this robot to your account directly, and you're going to get access to it. That way you're going to trade, the robot is going to trade on your account, and all the profit you're going to make is going to be kept by you. This is from me to you. I just wanted to see how powerful this robot is and enjoy some good profit, because I know some of you haven't really enjoyed profit in a while from the forex market. Yeah, this is one way of saying, hey, get some good money for yourself, right? So just fund your account or send a DM. I'm going to give you the procedure on how to do about it. Fund your account, send the account login. I'm going to connect the robot for you, and you're going to enjoy this robot for absolutely free. All right, remember, terms and conditions applied, right? So see you guys in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, because I'm going to be posting updates back to back on several accounts that I've showed you and their progress going forward, so you can actually see everything that is happening with all transparency, right? Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.